panjang.
Kawasaki has just released its first electric motorbikes in Indonesia, named the Ninja E-1 and ZE-1. In terms of specifications, this electric motorbike is equivalent to a 125 cubic centimeters petrol motorbike, where the electric motorbike is equipped with a 5.0 kilowatt motor. These two new motorbikes are equipped with two removable lithium-ion batteries. Each battery weighs 11.5 kilograms, thus contributing to the portability. The battery is located under the storage box, installed in parallel. Battery charging takes an average of 3.7 to 4 hours for a full charge, and 1.6 to 2 hours for charging approximately 20% to 85%. In operation, there are two driving modes, namely road and eco mode. The highest speed in road mode is 88 km per hour for the Ninja E-1 and 85 km per hour for the ZE-1, while the top speed in eco mode is limited to 64 km per hour for the Ninja E-1 and 62 km per hour for ZE-1. However, there is a technology called E-boost, which the driver can access to increase power for approximately 15 seconds. When activated, acceleration becomes stronger and top speed is increased by 64 km per hour to 75 km per jour in eco mode. 88 km per hour becomes 105 km per hour in road mode for the Ninja E-1. Meanwhile, for the ZE-1 it is 62 km per hour to 72 km per hour in eco mode, 85 km per hour to 101 km per hour in road mode. There are three charging options, including charging directly without a charging dock, charging with a charging dock with the battery removed, and charging with the battery installed in place or off-board charging. Moving on to other features, there is a 4.3-inch TFT instrumentation that can be connected to a smartphone. Apart from that, there is a regenerative system. When the rider releases the throttle, the deceleration energy is recycled back into the battery. This contributes to a longer cruising range. Interestingly, these two electric Ninjas have a 5-liter storage box as a replacement for the fuel tank. Both also use front and rear disc brakes, which provide comfortable braking performance, while ABS can add certainty in braking. The Kawasaki Ninja E-1 and ZE-1 offer new colors and graphics, namely metallic bright silver, metallic matte lime green/ebony. In Indonesia, the two electric motorbikes are still imported from Thailand. Discussing price, the Ninja E-1 is sold for $9,670, while the ZE-1 is $9,470. Both can be ordered starting Friday, November 17, 2023. Kawasaki has scheduled start deliveries for the two types to start next year, namely in March 2024.